Hey guys, we're going to be asking the question today, can ChatGPT now use the internet? But before I can answer that question, I just want to let you know here at Product Creation Formula, we love to give you tips and tricks to be able to help you create your products quickly and easily. Along with that, we also do product reviews, as well as tips on how to make money online. So if that's the sort of thing that interests you, how about you smash the like button, as well as subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so you can be notified when we upload more videos. Alright guys, let's go check it out. Now if you go directly to the website of ChatGPT and sign up there and join ChatGPT with that, you won't be able to access the internet. However, you will need to use a Chrome extension to be able to access the internet. And I'll leave a link for that in the description down below. Now, like ChatGPT is completely free, but I will say it looks almost identical to the regular ChatGPT, except it does have a couple of new features. Click on here, we'll have a look at what those new features are. You've got here web access, which we'll click off. Then we got the results. We have the results can go from 1 to 10 results. Then you go down here, then over here you got anytime, you can click on that. It also gives you past day, past week, past month, past year. Then over here you got your regions, and it can be pretty much most countries in the world. And then you got your prompts, and you got your default prompt, or you can create a new prompt, which is right here. You click on that, you can actually create a new prompt if you wish to. I don't particularly wish to create a new prompt. I'll just keep the prompt as is. So I'm just going to click off that. The first question I'm going to be asking, with the internet turned off, when did the Queen of England die? And we're just going to now hit enter and see what happens. As of my knowledge, cutoff date of 2021, Queen Elizabeth II, the current Queen of England, was still alive as of my current date, and then that is the 18th of the 2nd, 2023. She is still alive. Okay, so it's coming up as of my current date, which is this particular date. This is not aware that she's actually passed away. Now, if we go here, click on that, and we're going to just refresh the page just one moment, just so as it has actually recognized that I'm changing it. And go back over here. I'm going to go to another page. There we are. Using the web address, web access on. We're going to now hit that, and then we're now going to hit that and see what it comes up with now. Okay, according to the provided web search results, Queen Elizabeth of England died September the 8th, 2022 at the age of 96. As you can see, these are clickable links. If you click on that, it'll actually take you to a web page. Now I'm going to right click and I'm going to open that up into another page. Number 2, this should be a second web page that it's opening up at. And here's number 3, it should also open up to another page. And these should, by rights, be 3 different news articles talking about the death of the Queen. In just a moment, we'll open them up and have a quick look. You've got BBC, over here you've got, looks like CNN, and then right here you have routers. Okay, so let's just click away from all these. We don't need to read about that right now. So as you can see, it does have access. Now what it really does is it scrapes articles from the internet and then shows you exactly the results that it finds. Now, it doesn't give you opinions. It doesn't give you any real information outside of the scraping. Now, if you want to have, say, for example, you can just click on here and you can go 10 results, and then you can ask it, say, for example, when did Charles become king? And hit that, and we'll have a look and see what it says. And what it's going to do is it's going to give you literally 10 different websites that it gleaned all the information from, giving you this information. Here you got one from Huffington Post, and then another one from Townsend, and then other ones, and it gives you a whole bunch of different ones. And so far 3, 6. Okay, so it's giving you a whole bunch that you can look at, and a lot of different results. So it's got up to 10 results. So and each one of these are clickable and so forth. Let's have a look at what this one is. Okay, so it's news.com. Then over here, I'll click on this one. I think it should be a different one as well. And then this one here should be a different one too. So let's have a quick look at what these are. They shouldn't be BBC or CNN or the first slot. They should be a little bit different. Let's have a look here. This one's here from, and this one here is from Fox News. Okay, cool. So it gives you a bunch of different types of news reports you can actually look at and read and so forth, just to get some information. Now you can also do this with other information as well. And let's look at that. So I'm just showing you this to show you how accurate it really is, and the fact that it can actually be used on the internet. So as you can see from the first one, which was over here, it didn't know that, because I had it turned off, it didn't know that the Queen had died. But then when you look at the next one above it, it now shows that she did die, and it gives us dates and so forth, and also the various results. And if you have a look down here, you can see the various news articles that it's actually scraped and gleaned the information from, and gave us all the information here. Now let's go and have a look at something else that's on the web, and we'll have a look here. We'll just try a brand new chat just to help it out, and let's go, what is the best way to make me online? Using the web chat one, we can now just go have a look at that. And what it's going to do is going to scrape through the internet, find all the information it can find, and then give you a list of different ways on how you can do it. Plus, it'll also hopefully give you some web results as well, allowing you to be able to find out how it's done. And hopefully it will give me some more information. I can't see anything from the internet right now. Okay, so far nothing. All right, well, nothing from outside of what it already knows. Okay, so we can still use that information: freelancing, online surveys, selling products, affiliate marketing, teaching tutorials, creating content, investing. Okay, cool. How about we can put down here who won the recent soccer World Cup. Okay, let's hit that. And as you can see, it's got the web results. Now we'll have to search the web for this one because it won't have it before 2022. So it's now scraping the information, and I've got it up to 10 results. It'll write up 10 different things, giving me 10 different prompts and articles it got it from. So as you can see, it's got one there. And as we scroll through, we can see web search. Okay, Palo trophies, Argentina. Okay, so as you scroll through, Argentina has won the World Cup, having previously won 1978, 1986. Okay, so as you can see, Argentina is the one who won. So that gives me all the information I really am looking for. It really is just more like a scraper. But if you wanted to just have regular ChatGPT, just turn that off. And then you can just ask it regular questions. Say, for example, actually, I'm going to go here. How to use ChatGPT to sell books on Amazon KDP. So let's go there and see what it says. Okay, so it looks like it's dragging some information from here. Okay, so it's giving me some information down there. Yep, okay, cool. It does look like it's actually drawing information from the web, and it's creating an article from that. So it's drawing from all the different sources to get as much information as it can. All right, it is as simple as that. Now, as I said, I will leave a link for this Chrome extension down in the description box down below if you want to get access to it. And it does give ChatGPT just a little bit more depth and a little bit more understanding of what's currently going on in the world. Alright guys, now if you got some value out of this video, how about you smash the like button as well as subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so you can be notified when we upload more videos. Hey, while you're at it, why not consider sharing, and also leave a comment down below and let me know what you think of this video. Now just to let you know, that right here is video I believe you might like. Down here is a video YouTube thinks you might like. And right here is an image of my head. Now if you click on that, you'll be able to subscribe. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.